getting with it this morning. Dealing with all kinds of ice. Be right back. Trying to get that top layer off. My blade don't go down low enough to even touch it. That little thing seems to be working pretty good. First time we've got to use this little machine. This little thing works great. Love it. We've already got the salt spread on this part up here close to the building. Let the salt work and then we'll get it out of the way. It's a little daycare. Anyway, we'll get back to it. This is what we're dealing with in South Central Kentucky. Ice everywhere. So, back to it. Y'all have a good one. Stay safe.